Alright, so welcome back to my channel. I recently buy some leathers because I want to put the robe buds on the front of the robe. So I bought them in black, even though the vehicle is black already. I just decided I'm going to put them on the front in black. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. And then we're going to take it from there. So pretty much it's going to look something like that. So I just have to come up with a way. I'm gonna measure the bonnet so that I can spread the letters across evenly.
Yeah, so if you look, the bonnet has two seams, one here, one here. When you put it together, it measures 22, so 1 feet 10. So I'm just gonna try and put it across here as much as possible. It's not a flat surface, so I might probably have to do a freestyle and see how best it comes out.
So this item is 3M tape, so make sure clean your surface with rubbing alcohol for it to stick more. And I'm just gonna eyeball it and see how best it can comes out. If it's, as long as it looks good to me, then it doesn't really matter, right? So yeah, that's all that matters. So this is it. You just have to peel the back, to expose the stick inside. There it is. So I'm just gonna do a freestyle with the R and see, and then make my way across from the seam. So this is the first seam. I'm gonna put it maybe about there. So that's the R, and then next I'm gonna start with the E. Let's see. So put in the two first, the first and the last one, and then see how it goes. We'll do the same. Remove the backing to expose the sticky part. So I put the R. There, maybe like a finger away from here. So I'm gonna put the E. I'm gonna maybe put the E. And then maybe put the E. Right there. So R-O-G-U-E. Now I'm gonna try and put the O in the center, and then eyeball it from there with the no, R-O. I'm gonna put the G in the center, then eyeball it from there and see. So it's black and black, so it's probably gonna be a bit hard to see, but yeah, it's just me doing my thing, so whatever works for me, I'm okay with that, because I'm doing it for myself, right? So now we have R, G, E. So now it's time to put the R, E. So now it's time to put the O and the U, and then pretty much that should be it. So now this is the O. You take the backing off, and then I want to drop it somewhere right here. If you're doing it, you can probably make sure you want to take your measurements and stuff, but it's for my own benefit, my own eyes. I don't really care much anyways, as long as it looks good to me. So I'm gonna want to try and get this right in the center. Right in the center. So good. Yeah, so that's how it kind of came out. The oil was a bit messed up, so I can always probably buy a different oil and just always go back over it and just replace it. But yeah, it came out good to me, looking nice. So I'm gonna go in the cool shade where the sun is not directly on it and get a different video of it and then show you how good it looks. But I like it. So that's it. Nice and easy.